What if I told you there's a mysterious city deep beneath the Atlantic Ocean, a city with no lights, no people, and yet, it may hold the secret to how life began on Earth. Welcome to the Lost City, a place stranger than fiction and possibly our biological birthplace. So, what exactly is the Lost City? It was discovered in 2000 on the Atlantis Massif, a massive underwater mountain, but this city isn't made of stone buildings or statues. It's actually a sprawling field of tall, white towers made of calcium carbonate. Some are over 60 meters high. These towers formed from a wild chemical reaction between seawater and mantle rock deep below the surface. Here's the kicker. There's no sunlight and no oxygen, but life is absolutely thriving. Scientists believe this hydrothermal vent field could actually resemble the conditions of early Earth. Maybe even more than the famous black smokers found elsewhere on the ocean floor. Now, could life have started here? The Lost City's unique chemistry produces hydrogen and methane, two key ingredients for the building blocks of life itself. Some researchers think that this crazy environment could have sparked the first reactions that eventually led to living organisms. In other words, this could be where life began. And here's another twist. Unlike other vent fields, the Lost City has lasted for thousands of years. It's still active and still mysterious. So where is this place exactly? The Lost City is located about 700 meters below the ocean surface, right on the mid-Atlantic ridge, roughly 2,500 kilometers from the east coast of the US. It's not exactly a walk in the park to get there. Only a handful of expeditions have ever visited, using deep-sea submersibles like Alvin or remotely operated vehicles. Scientists have to map the ocean floor, analyze vent samples, and navigate floors dotted with these bizarre, ghostly white towers. And here's the mind-blowing part. Scientists think similar hydrothermal systems could exist on distant moons like Europa and Enceladus, icy worlds with oceans hidden beneath their frozen crusts. If life began in the Lost City, it might also be forming right now in those alien oceans. NASA and ESA are sending missions to check it out. If we find life there, the Lost City might not just explain our past, but their present. So, is this Atlantis? I hate to break it to you, Atlantis fans. There are no crystal pyramids or ancient submarines down here. But what we have found might be even more amazing. Not a lost civilization, but maybe the birthplace of all life on Earth. A real-life alien world, right here beneath our oceans. The Lost City is a reminder that the most extraordinary places aren't always out among the stars. They're often hiding right beneath our oceans. So, was life born in a deep-sea vent? We might be closer than ever to finding out. If you enjoyed this dive into deep-sea mysteries, smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing science, and let me know in the comments. Do you think life began in the Lost City?